Imagine a world where aging doesn't define your health. Whether you're 20 or 70, balance hormones is crucial today. Fast-paced life. Many people, especially women, face hormonal challenges that can affect their overall well-being. My mission is to guide you back to harmony with your hormones, helping to navigate this change effectively. To embark on this journey, I want to introduce 5 essential foods that you need to incorporate into your diet, each specifically aligned with different hormones. Together, let's explore which hormones these foods support and how they can transform your health. Before we dive deeper, if you haven't yet explored the inside of Fast Like a Girl, highly encourage you to do so. This book emphasizes essential aspects of hormonal health. Estrogen and progesterone demand different lifestyles. This conversation around hormonal health has often been overlooked, but it's time to change the narrative. For years, women have been taught to adjust their diets according to these two hormones, which are similar yet distinct. They like twin sisters, sharing a family resemblance but possessing what's different personalities, and therefore very different food preferences. Let's start with estrogen. This hormone thrives on what I call ketobiotic foods. What does this mean? It emphasizes the importance of polyphenols, probiotics, and prebiotics, which are essential for estrogen and growth. Foods rich in these nutrients help create a nurturing environment for estrogen, allowing it to function optimally. Now, let's evolve to first and starter list, the avocado. Personally, during the days when my estrogen levels need a boost, around one through ovulation, I made a point to include avocado in almost every meal. It became a staple in my diet. In fact, I joked with a recent podcast interview that if I were stranded on a desert island, my one food choice would be an avocado. Why? Because it not only stabilizes blood sugar but also provides healthy fats and nourishes the brain. Remember, your brains are made of about 50% fat and they thrive on it. Avocados also support good health, which is essential for breaking down hormones effectively. A healthy microbiome is crucial for hormone metabolism, and avocados feed the good bacteria in your gut. Now, let's switch gears to another critical food group, bitter foods. You might be surprised to learn about the importance. Bitter foods, such as radicchio, dandelion greens, lemon and ginger, may not be the first eats in your grocery list, but they play a vital role in supporting liver health and digestion. A well-functioning liver is key to breaking down hormones. Think of their liver as the body detox center, processing and eliminating toxins and excess hormones. When women cycle through their hormonal phase, incorporating more bitter foods can be incredibly beneficial, particularly during ovulation. During this time, your estrogen peaks, and the liver needs extra support to process this hormone efficiently. I encourage cycling women to increase the intake of bitter foods during ovulation, which I refer to as the manifestation phase. By doing so, you can enhance your body's natural ability to regulate hormonal balance. Next, let's discuss seeds, specifically flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are essential for hormonal health. Flax seeds are champions for estrogen balance. I love adding flax oil in my salads, and it is an easy way to get this nutrient-rich food into my diet. Not only do they help break down the estrogen, but they also provide the essential fatty acids that support overall hormone production. On the other hand, pumpkin seeds play a critical role in supporting progesterone levels. They are a natural way to help balance these two critical hormones. Now, I want to highly root vegetables, such as squashes and sweet potatoes. These often overlooked foods are crucial for supporting progesterone levels, which many women feel a lack at the age. Through my experience with hormone testing, it's evident that most women are facing decreasing progesterone levels, often due to stress and the demands of modern life. Sweet potatoes, in particular, are personal favorites of mine. They offer a delicious and nutritious way to nourish your body while also supporting hormone health. I can't stress enough the importance of root vegetables. They provide complex carbohydrates, essential vitamins, and minerals that can help counteract hormone imbalance. When I consult with women experiencing anxiety, fatigue, or irregular cycles, I often recommend increasing the intake of root vegetables. Incorporation of a variety of squashes in your meals, like acorn, butternut, and spaghetti squash, can create delicious dishes while helping to build progesterone levels. Grass-fed beef is rich in amino acids, which are crucial for hormone production. Hormones have specific fuel requirements, and one of these is amino acids. By incorporating grass-fed beef in your diet, you will provide your body with the necessary components it needs to produce hormones effectively. Poultry, especially turkey, contains tryptophan, amino acid that helps your body make serotonin. This is particularly important for women going through menopause. As estrogen levels decline during this transition, it is essential to find alternative ways to support mood. Serotonin is often referred to as feel-good hormone, and having adequate levels can help prevent feelings of sadness and anxiety. These five foods, avocados, bitter foods, seeds, root vegetables, and high-quality meats, are not just ingredients. They are powerful allies in your quest for hormonal balance. By incorporating them in your daily meals, you can help stabilize your mood, regulate your cycles, and enhance your overall well-being. When your hormones are balanced, everything in your life tends to fall into place. Your mood stabilizes, cravings diminish, sleep improves, and you feel more energetic and vibrant. As we wrap up this discussion, I encourage you to reflect on these foods and consider how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. I love to hear from you what your favorite recipes that feature these hormone balanced foods. Let's share this and inspire each other to embrace healthier eating habits. If you're interested in diving deeper into your journey, check out my other videos and resources. Remember, using fasting as a tool for health can be transformative. It might just be the best decision you make for well-being. So, why not start today? Your journey to hormonal balance begins with small, intentional changes, and we're here to support you every step of the way.